We have not laid anybody off. That was our goal, was not to do that because we have a good group of people. We're very fortunate. A lot of businesses we know aren't, and we're counting our lucky stars there.
We're getting back to business, but is it business as usual or business as unusual?
Hewitt Harnett with AAA Blind Shutter Factory here in Little River. We manufacture and retail interior window treatments, primarily interior plantation shutters, which you see here. We also build our own blinds. We build solar shades. We're the only manufacturer around that builds this much stuff, this many variety of things. It's interesting. People look at this building and see how big it is, and they think it's a warehouse, and it's manufacturing, as you'll see. We're different in that respect. All of it's custom. Nothing comes off the shelf. It's all made according to your window specifications. Our showroom is closed right now, but our phone lines are open. So we're conducting business, and we're in the field measuring, and we're also installing as well. What we're doing now is we always call the customer before we go to your house to measure. And we always call you the day before we come out to install. So you have those days. We call you the day before, and right now we're asking, is everybody safe? Are they healthy? And if they request any kind of personal protection equipment from us, we've got it available, whether it's Clorox wipes, face masks, gloves, shoes, any kind of protection equipment that is available. We do have a website. You're better off doing a little research online and inviting us into the house, because that's where we have fabric samples, we have shutter samples to show you, and you can see those things online, but it's always better to see it, touch it, feel it. Back to business as usual, and that's what we're trying to do, is return to business as usual as quickly as possible.